fulfill ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ನ perform ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. So that the actual action or actual work which is carried out from the directing, okay, and through the efforts of the employees, okay, through the efforts of the employees we are going to achieve the organizational objectives. See, as a manager, why he has to go with the instructing, guiding, or why the manager has to motivate the employees? See, as a manager agi ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ನ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದೇರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಚೀವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ he has to do all the things, okay. Say, because in organization ಅಲ್ಲಿ actual who is going to be carried the work, okay, who is going to do the actual work? As you know that employees are going to be do the actual work. So employees ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು? ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು? ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು? ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು, okay, in order to achieve the objectives through the efforts of the employees efforts indane ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್. We are going to motivate the employees. Suppose employees ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, we are going to motivate the employees. ಸೊ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. we are going to motivate the employees, and also we are going to inspire the employees through the ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರೇ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್, ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ದ objectives, okay. So this is about the meaning of directing. See, meaning of directing, when it comes to the meaning of directing, it is a function of the management. It is also function of the management. It is concerned with, it is nothing but directing, which is concerned with the direct instruction, guiding, motivation, and inspiring the employees in the organization, because management will going to do all the things, because actual work which is carried by the employees through the efforts of the employees only, through the efforts of the employees only we are going to achieve the objective. So that purpose, as a manager, is going to inspire, instruct, guide, motivate the employees in the organization, okay. So manager will going to perform the directing function for what purpose? For the purpose of achieving the predetermined objectives. ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ directing. And also keep it in your mind that actual work, so planning, organizing, staffing. So planning, organizing, staffing alli we are going to set up the things. So what we have to do ಅಂತಂದು ನಾವೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋರು ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸು will going to perform the job. And also if employees ಏನಾದರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೇಸಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಅ motivating the employees, because through their efforts only the organization will going to achieve the objectives, right? See, in simple, after the staffing function, the right person placed at the right job position in the organization. See, in staffing function alli enagutte, in staffing function the right employees are going to be hired for the right position. So right position ge right employees na ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we will go select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ we will go with the staffing function. Okay, so after the staffing function, ಆ staffing function ಆದಮೇಲೆ but the actual work which has begins only when the person get the instructions from the supervisor. As I told that, so actual work in the organization which is carried, okay, so organization aliro work yavaga start agutte andre as a employer athwa as a subordinate to supervisor, okay, avana immediate supervisor in the instructions na tagondu work na start ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the work is actually carried out. Okay, in simple, the actually work which is carried from the directing. So in work perform ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ. ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಾವೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ carried out. Okay, and directing does not mean only the giving the instructions. Okay, so directing antandre it is not only giving the instruction, it includes the instructions by giving the instruction also. Okay, so directing antandre bari instructions ashte kododalla, but also we have to supervise the employees when they are performing the job. Okay, ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we have to do the supervision work. We have to nothing but as a manager he has to supervise the things, how the employees are going to be work. So employee ಹೇಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ he has to supervise the things. Okay, and also at the same time he has to motivate the employees to improve their efficiency. So employees na efficiency na ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ as a manager has to give the motivation to the employees. Employees ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, he has to give the motivation to the employees. Say in simple, it is not only concerned with the instruction by giving the instruction, but also it is concerned with the supervising of employees and also supervise the performance of the employees. At the same time, as a management he has to motivate the employees in order to improve the efficiency, because as I told that why the management has to do all these things. Okay, because in order to achieve the organizational objectives. Organizational objectives na achieve ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ as a management he has to do the directing function. Okay, so while you are writing the meaning of directing, okay, you have to write all these things. Okay, you have to remember these 4 elements. Okay, so this is about the meaning of directing. Okay, directing in simple agi helbeku andre directing it is another function of the management. In this function it is concerned with inspiring, instruction, guiding and motivating and inspiring the employees in the organization in order to achieve the organizational objectives. So this is about the meaning of directing. Okay, this is all about the today's class. So in this class we discussed about the training of the techniques used in the off the job training, that we discussed. and also we started the new chapter, that is directing chapter or 7th chapter of your syllabi, that is about the directing, and also we discuss about the meaning of directing. Okay, so by the next class we will going to continue the further concept in the directing, right? And thank you.